Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add header on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. Now from here open any document. Now if you want to add a header on this document, at first click on Insert tab, and here you can see header and footer option. On the header footer option you can find header option, then just click on this arrow icon and that's it. Now here you can see 4 kinds of built-in header, and you can add any header on your document as you want. If you want to add this header to your document, just click here and that's it. You can see header has been added successfully to your document. Now you can type anything as you like. You can also customize your header text from here. You have to just select it and then click on Home tab, and you can customize anything as you want. Also, if you want to remove your header, just click on header and footer option and then click on close header and footer, and that's it. And that is how you can add header on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.